Today we're going to be unboxing the POC Eyewear collection, featuring a new Clarity lens, which is really good. What's even better is we're going to give away a pair of each of these sunglasses away, so keep watching to see how you can win a pair of these amazing new glasses or goggles. Eyewear protection when you're out on the trails is really important. Not only does it protect your eyes from the sun, it also protects you from things flying up off your wheels, bugs, etc. going into your eyes. You might find if you're wearing a cheap pair of sunglasses out on the trails that when you're going into those spots where it's dark light, you're going to run into problems. Mountain biking is pretty dynamic, so you're going to need a lens which reacts to that light change is really good. This is where the Clarity lens comes into its own. So POC have partnered with Carl Zeiss, so you know that lens is going to be a quality item. What the Clarity system does on the lens is actually pull those browns and greens out on the trail, so literally every rock and route, no matter if it's light or dark, is literally going to be screaming out at you. It really enhances that vision out on the trail. Anyway, let's get into unboxing them. So first up is the CRAVE glasses. Let's take a look at these. Really nicely packaged stuff from POC. Lovely carry case as well. Whoa, these things look really good. Liking the colours. Just everything about them just stands out. So good. Nice white ones as well. Lenses look amazing. Carl Zeiss lens. Whoa, they are sweet. So these CRAVE glasses are a Pacific mountain bike set of sunglasses. They feature the snap-on system, which protects the arms from snapping, also protects the lens and stuff in the case of a crash. Also makes the lens really easy to change too. Even though the CRAVE glass is designed to work with the POC range of helmets, it's also perfectly compatible with any other brands out there too. They're going to look awesome on your bike. Taking a quick look around again, I see they've got some nice rubber inserts on the nose and the side of the glasses, which means they're not going to be bouncing around when things get wet out on the trails. Also, a nice big open frame construction means they're not going to fog up either. So yeah, great set of glasses there. Next up is the half blade glasses. Really excited to see these. Again, lovely boxing from POC. Reminds me of like all the Apple kit. Really good. Nice carry case. Look at the colour of these. Whoa, these look good. Nice. Whoa, super lightweight too. Loving the red. Going to go with all your trail kit out there. Look at that Clarity lens as well. Lovely. So the half blade's more of a cross-country trail kind of riding sunglass. It's also been injected with Gorilla which makes them super lightweight. Awesome colour. Comes with a bottomless design on the frame, which of course increases that peripheral vision when you're out on the trail. It comes with that awesome Clarity lens as well, which makes those trail objects scream out of you when you're out on the trail. Also got some nice rubber inserts, so it protects, you know, and it's not going to be bouncing around, especially when it's wet. So yeah, lovely set of glasses again from POC. So next up is the POC Ora Goggles. I'm really excited to take a look at these. These look amazing. So let's get into these. So look. Whoa, they look really cool. Got a lens as well. Nice stealthy look, not a too in your face lens. Nice branding on the strap. I think you've got a little carry bag in here as well. Yes. Nice, good work POC, getting those clean, getting them nice and scratch free. Keep them in your bag. So let's take a look at the Ora goggle in a bit more detail. You see it's got loads and loads of ventilation top and bottom, so fogging up isn't going to be a problem. Looks super comfortable too, nice foam backing on there. These goggles are designed to work with a POC helmet, but don't forget they're obviously going to be compatible with other brands too, because they've got a nice flexible frame and the strap. Really good option with these is how easy it is to change the lenses too. So there we have it, a quick run through the key players in POC's eyewear lineup for this year, featuring that awesome Clarity lens. Don't forget, if you want to win a set of these, enter the competition. All the details are below, and we're going to be announcing the winner in 2 weeks' time on the EMBN show, so good luck. So if you want to see more great content from EMBN, be sure to check out how to silence your e-bike on this video here. Also check this video out, it's me and Steve Gill exploring Cornwall on our e-bikes. Real epic video, it's a hell of a trip. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and make sure you subscribe to EMBN if you haven't already done so.